I just scored the hardest bag to get at Hermes, and I'm not talking about a Birkin or a Kelly. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Leon. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Go watch my other videos and get a little bit more familiar and acquainted with me. You're gonna end up liking it here, and might as well subscribe while you're here as well. Subscribe right now. But as you just heard before, I just scored the hardest to get bag at Hermes right now. And it's not even a bag for that matter, but it is so hard to get that the girls are paying triple, quadruple the money to get this bag. And I got it, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So I obviously already saw the bag when I was in store, and we did an unboxing there. But oh my god, I rewrapped it. I wanted to unbox it here for you guys. So it came in this huge bag. I've never seen the bag so big because, like I said, I've only bought 2 small items from them. They never given me such a big bag like that before, and I've never gotten a big envelope like this before. It says Hermes right there. I will be telling you guys the price of it today because why not? Or do you guys want to see what it is first? I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's unbox it first. So you have the amazing orange box with the brown ribbon. Let's pull it apart. My adrenaline is shaking, and I already know what's in the box, but I'm just so excited. It says Hermes Paris on the box. Taking the lid off. It's wrapped really nice in this paper. Are you ready? It is the Bride-A-Brac in the small size. This, oh my god, this, I'm just still in awe, and I'm still in disbelief that I actually got this bag from the boutique. I've been looking at this bag on Fashionphile. Honestly, you know, you gotta start writing things down and getting them, like, manifesting them, because this bag was on my wish list of gifts that I wanted for my birthday, and I didn't get it, but I got her now, and I got her brand new from the boutique. So like I said, I'm going to tell you guys the price. This is the Bride-A-Brac case in the small in the marine color, and this retails for $710, and with tax basically everything came to about $760 basically with tax. And they do make a larger size. The large size I believe starts at $750. I could be wrong, but I think that one is $750 and this one was $710. Everyone that I've seen who has the large one says that the large is way too big. So I'm happy that I got the small. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be wearing this. So it's actually a toiletry bag, and the girls are wearing it as a handbag, and I will be one of those girls. I don't care, and I'm not ashamed to say that. But wow, she's a beauty. I can't wait to wear her. So you open her like this. It has a camel colored zipper tag, but the hardware on it is silver. She is stuffed. I'll take that out. This is what the inside looks like. You have 2 pockets. There's a pocket, 3 pockets. There's 2 pockets on this side, and there is 1 larger pocket on this side. Like I said, it's supposed to be a toiletry bag, so it's pretty spacious. I could definitely imagine being able to fit like all my makeup that I would need for a trip, or even all my skincare. And probably even in the large size, you can fit both. You could do your skincare and your makeup in one bag if you wanted to do that. And then once you zip it back down, you could wear it as a wristlet, because it can clip like this. I've seen a girl too, she put a chain through this side and this side and made it like a little satchel or crossbody bag. I don't think I like the look of that. I will only be wearing it as a top handle, and it's really easy to make back a top handle. Unsnap it there, snap it back to this side, and voila, we have the bag. Wow. First of all, I know in my handbag video I said, oh my god, it's so hard to style blue bags. But listen, with Hermes, you get what you can get. I'm not even really sure how I got lucky to get this bag. So I was at work actually, and I would just happen to be browsing on the website. And like I said, I knew that I wanted this bag. So I'm like, you know what? It's worth a shot. Let me just type in Hermes Bride-A-Brac on Google and let me see what happens. I typed it in on Google and it literally popped up. And I was like, sometime it pops up, but the item will still be out of stock, or it'll be like at an Hermes website from a different country. So you can't purchase it even if you wanted to. But it said US, like the price was in US. And I'm like, okay, that's weird. Let me just click the link. I tried to purchase it on my phone, and that's when I got the error message. I could not add it to my bag. So I'm like, yeah, it's probably too good to be true. It's out of stock. Like, they probably just didn't remove the picture yet. Oh no. Because I did my due diligence. I used my work computer, went on the Hermes website, and I'm like, oh no, it's really here. So I was able to add it to cart from the big computer, the desktop computer, and I secured the bag. I did in-store pickup because I just wanted the experience of walking in. I did not want it to be shipped to my house. And they gave me the call, and here she is. She's so pretty. I can't wait to wear her. And then it has like this beautiful green. Oh, it still has her stickers on it. She's not going back, so we can take the little stickers off. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. And I told the sales associate to put me down for the linen color. They have a two-tone. It's like beige with like a different shade of beige. And I feel like that'll be the ultimate summer vacation bag. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere here. But that is what I want. I want that one, and also the small size as well. And then who knows from there. Let's play the Hermes game. Maybe eventually a Birkin will come about. Who knows? Or a Kelly or a Constance. Who knows? But I'm just so excited. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Do you see her? Proud moment. This is actually a proud moment right now. So today's video is really a quick video. I just wanted to unbox and share that with you guys because I could not hold the excitement in me anymore, and I want to use my bag. So I was ready to unbox. I wanted to get it over with so I could show you and start using my bag. But if you have any questions, leave them down below. And I'm just so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope that we get to do some more Hermes unboxings in the future together. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.